everyone! Is your X feed becoming a bit too intense or filled with content you'd rather not see? In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to filter your feed and hide sensitive content to make your browsing experience much cleaner. Let's dive right in. If you're using the phone, first tap your profile icon in the top left. Scroll down and select Settings and Support. Then tap Settings and Privacy. Go to Privacy and Safety. Now, tap on Content You See. Click on Search Settings and tap Hide Sensitive Content. Then back to Content You See and tap Sensitive Media and click on Adult Content and choose Never Show This.
If you're using a computer, click More and choose Settings and Privacy. Go to Privacy and Safety and tap on Content You See. Click Display Media that may contain sensitive content. And then click Search Settings and tap Hide Sensitive Content. And that's it! Your X feed should now be much more tailored to what you actually want to see. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.